The digital transformation is reshaping not only the economy, but the way people choose, buy, or share goods and services, and how they learn. Manufacturing today needs to innovate to satisfy demand and customer expectations. Workers need to master new technology and digital tools to do their jobs effectively. These new ways of working, in turn, influence the kinds of skills needed from the simplest to the most complex. It's a great opportunity for employees who want to develop themselves and be attractive on the job market. A highly skilled workforce is critical for companies that want to stay innovative, competitive, and adaptive. The same holds true for the green transition when new business models and job profiles require new tools, methods, and an entrepreneurial mindset. To meet these dual challenges, the manufacturing industry must help workers evolve along with technology and transversal skills. EIT Manufacturing Academy, building the workforce of tomorrow.